Deep within the abyssal plains, a world unknown unfolds. Here, sunlight never penetrates. Life exists under unimaginable conditions. Among these depths lurks a creature of myth, the vampire squid. Its name alone conjures images of horror. But is it truly a monster? Join us as we dive into the truth behind this enigmatic deep-sea dweller.
When first discovered, its appearance shocked early naturalists. Its dark coloration, webbed arms, and piercing red eyes inspired its terrifying name.
The name Vampire Squid from Hell is quite sensationalist, isn't it? But it actually gives a misleading impression of this remarkable creature.
To understand the vampire squid, we must first explore its incredible habitat.
We're heading into the ocean's twilight zone, where conditions become extreme.
This is where the oxygen minimum zones begin, a true test of survival. The oxygen minimum zone is a vast, inhospitable region, deadly to most marine life.
The usually resilient anglerfish struggles significantly as oxygen levels are reduced, demonstrating the harsh realities of a changing ocean.
Yet, the vampire squid thrived here, a master of this anoxic world.
They possess unique adaptations, allowing them to tolerate extremely low oxygen.
Their large gills are remarkably efficient at absorbing every trace of available oxygen.
A low metabolic rate also ensures they use very little energy, conserving oxygen.
The water here is near freezing, adding another layer of challenge for survival.
Its entire physiology is perfectly tuned for this desolate, extreme environment.
The vampire squid's anatomy is a marvel of deep-sea evolution.
Its eyes, the largest relative to body size of any animal, are adapted for low light. They capture every photon, allowing the vampire squid to navigate its dark world. Movement is achieved through jet propulsion from its funnel, or by undulations of its fins.
These fins allow for precise, silent maneuvering in the dark depths.
Perhaps its most striking feature is this dark, cloak-like webbing.
Its webbing connects its 8 arms, covered with soft, tooth-like spines.
These cirri and suckers play a crucial role, not in predation, but in feeding. And then there are its 2 unique sensory filaments, unlike any other cephalopod. These filaments are incredibly delicate, extending to several times the vampire squid's body length.
They act as sensory organs, detecting the faintest traces of food in the water.
When not in use, these precious sensors are safely tucked away.
When threatened, the vampire squid employs a spectacular defense mechanism.
It pulls its web over its body, exposing rows of light-emitting organs.
This pineapple defense makes the vampire squid appear larger and more intimidating.
The sudden burst of light can disorient or deter a potential attacker.
The photophores on the vampire squid are incredibly complex, acting like flashing beacons.
They can control the intensity and rhythm,
creating a mesmerizing, confusing light show. Unlike true squid, the vampire squid doesn't release black ink. Instead, it expels a glowing mucus.
This sticky, luminous cloud can confuse predators, giving the vampire squid precious seconds to flee.
Its escape mechanism is a masterclass in deep-sea survival, momentarily disorienting predators. But the vampire squid's story is far more complex than just a defense strategy.
It possesses an aureole of unique adaptations that define its existence in this extreme world.
The vampire squid's most striking feature is its dark, cape-like webbing.
This remarkable cephalopod, the vampire squid, takes its name from this dark, web-like membrane connecting its 8 arms.
These fins are its primary means of propulsion, allowing for delicate, precise movements.
Unlike most cephalopods, the vampire squid doesn't hunt live prey aggressively.
Its diet is surprisingly passive, a stark contrast to its fearsome name.
It's a detritivore, feeding on marine snow, organic debris drifting from above.
This unique feeding strategy is perfectly adapted to the food scarcity of the abyss.
Every tiny particle of sustenance is crucial for survival in this energy-poor environment. Its slow metabolism and efficient feeding are key to its longevity. Life at 3,000 feet below is a game of patience and extreme conservation of energy.
When threatened, it can invert its web, creating a spiky, defensive pineapple formation.
These cirri, though not true spines, deter potential predators from a quick meal.
It's a marvel of evolutionary engineering, maximizing defense with minimal energy output.
Once the threat passes, the vampire squid returns to its solitary existence.
Its visual acuity in near-total darkness is remarkable, detecting the faintest flickers.
Beyond defense, bioluminescence plays a role in communication, though poorly understood. Unlocking these mysteries requires further exploration into the planet's least known frontier.
The vampire squid continues its silent vigil, a living relic in the ocean's midnight zone.
It reminds us how much more there is to discover in our own world.
The deep ocean holds secrets, and the vampire squid is one of its most enigmatic guardians.
A creature from hell, perhaps, but certainly a creature of wonder.
Deep in the crushing darkness lurks a creature truly terrifying, the vampire squid from hell.